Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, go into settings. Now choose Bluetooth and click on the switcher to turn it on. Then wait for available devices to show up and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, this Realme. Now you need to wait for the pop-up to show up. And following that, click pair. Then wait for this device to accept your connection request. And as you can see, my devices were successfully connected. You can always disconnect them though by clicking on this little icon next to the device and choosing unpair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!